You have 7 lakh rupees for your home cinema setup? Well, then this video is for you. Because one of the most common problems that everybody faces while they define their budget, they don't know how to go about it. Now, the first tempting things that come up in their mind is that how much money should I spend on the projector or which speaker should I buy? But you know what? These are not the real questions. The real question that you need to ask any home cinema consultant, including us here at Tap AV, is that how should I divide this budget of 7 lakh rupees to build a very nice high performance home theater setup? Because we at Tap AV have been doing this for clients across India since last 13 years, and we know the exact science, maths to it. So let's begin. Now, we all know that the hi-fi and the home cinema domain is such a vast domain that you have got products starting from few lakhs of rupees to almost crores of rupees. Now, at 7 lakh rupees, you and I would know that we are not targeting an ultra premium reference home theater, but we can definitely look at giving you a nice, satisfied as well as a balanced home cinema experience. Now, this can also cover a 5.1.2 or even a 7.1.2 Atmos configuration. We can also aspire to have a nice AV receiver which is powerful enough to cater to the entire room. We can also look at some nice 4K projectors at this particular price point to cover under 7 lakh rupees. And lastly, it will give us enough room to add subwoofers. You can have cabling, installation services, as well as acoustic treatment in the room in this particular price point. So the goal should be simple. It should be looking at maximizing the experience per rupee and not look at maximum number of specs or maximum number of speakers. Now, if this is very clear to you, let us move on to the next stage. The biggest mistake people do is that they buy things emotionally. Now, when you make some random decisions, for instance, you go to some place, you like a very nice fancy projector, you decide to buy it. Then you go to other place, you like two tower speakers, they sound fantastic, and you decide to buy it. But this is not how a great home cinema experience can be built. Especially if you are on a price point of 7 lakh rupees, you need to work more on the economics. Because a very nice video setup with average or a very weak audio is not going to be great. Similarly, if you concentrate too much on the audio but spend too little on the video, it's not going to be cinematic. So home cinema is always an assembly of a good balanced audio and the video setup along with all the other accessories. So now, how do we go about dividing this budget? Let's start to understand this. Now, if I was designing a balanced home cinema experience, I would define the budget in the below format. I would start with the first and foremost important aspect, that is the video system. Now, video system comprises of a projector and a screen. And obviously, if I am looking to build a futuristic home theater, I need to look at a 4K projector. So 4K projector with the screen, I would not spend more than 2 to 2.25 lakh rupees out of the 7 lakh rupees as the target price. Now this 2 to 2.25 gives me a very nice 4K projector which can be LED or even a laser projector, and that can cater to my needs of having a great home cinema experience. The next comes the speakers. Now the speakers budget, I would definitely round it between 1.75 lakhs to 2 lakh rupees. Now this speakers does not include subwoofer. For the subwoofer, I would additionally keep a margin of 75,000 to anywhere around a lakh of rupees. Because subwoofers are extremely crucial. You need to have good bass because when you're watching movies, you have got a special information given to the low frequency channel, and that needs to cover up the entire room or the multiple places that you have in the room. So one subwoofer or two subwoofers, I need to work accordingly backwards by defining the budget anywhere between 75,000 to a lakh of rupees on the subwoofer. Then comes the AV receiver. Now we all know that going for AV separates with a power amp and a AV processor is not possible under 7 lakhs, which means I need to have a very powerful AV receiver which can manage all my needs and cover up all the number of channels that I am planning to achieve in the home cinema experience. So if I'm building a 5.1.2 or even a 5.2.2, I would look at a 7 channel AV receiver which can be around 80 to 85,000. Similarly, if I am looking for a 9 channel setup which is 7.1.2 or a 7.2.2, I would also consider something around 1.25 as the maximum price range so that I am very well under my budget. So for the AV receiver, I would technically be in the range of 85,000 to 1.25 lakhs as the price point to spend on the AV receiver, because that's the heart and the console of your entire setup. Then comes the cabling and the installation services. Now, for these cabling and installation services, anywhere from 50,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees would be a justified expense, because the cables need to be of very, very good quality. You cannot compromise on the long running lengths of the HDMI cable, as well as I need to secure my own room with some future upgrades. So, I would definitely lay some extra cables for more Atmos speakers or more surround speakers, and that is why keeping a budget of 50,000 to 75,000 rupees for my cabling and installation services is very well defined. Then comes the last part, that is acoustics. Now we all know acoustic is very well required today, because you cannot have a great speaker and let it sound average because the room treatment is not done. So that is why you need to have a little bit of scope to put in for acoustics. Now I know that the budget that would be left is not going to be more, but anywhere from 25,000 to 50,000 rupees is still a good start point. I know for a fact that I can't have a wall to wall carpet in that price point. So I would just put a nice, simple, thick pile rug on the floor. Now that I am not going to spend more than 5 to 10,000 rupees. Similarly, on the walls, I would definitely take care of the first reflection points. These first reflection points, using a diffuser or an absorber based upon the room width that you would have or the room size that you would have, you will have to spend some money on that. Lastly, rubber sealants around the door so that the sound escaping outside of the room is less. Now, all of these small little things probably will help me spend anywhere from 25,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees on the acoustics. So, with this, we are very much comfortable in the range of 7 lakh rupees as the total target price. Now, this is not a fixed formula. We have used it for most of the clients who are planning for home cinema setup. It has worked for them and it has worked for us. But in case your priorities are different, you want to have a nice projector screen but with a sound bar, or maybe you want to have a home theater but with a TV, then your economics can be different. But what I have realized is that this is a good starting point for each and everybody who is looking to target a home theater experience at 7 lakh rupees. Because by doing this exercise, you are definitely preventing one category to eat up the entire budget. Because now we have got amazingly balanced home theater, where a projector can give you scale, where the speakers can give you clarity and surround, where the subwoofer can give you maximum impact, where the AV receiver can give you a great control of the system, and lastly, you have got an acoustics which can actually make everything perform so nicely. So by doing this, we are able to achieve a great home cinema room and a home cinema experience instead of just buying products off the shelf. So if you want to design a performance-focused home cinema setup for your space, irrespective of the target price, whether it's 5 lakhs or 50 lakhs, then you can reach out to our team of AV experts at Tap AV using the link that is shared in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And to those of you who want to continue designing your own home theaters, here are a few things that you should not compromise. The very first thing is center channel. Now, if you are designing a movie first application for home theater, the dialogues comes from the center channel. So do not compromise on going for a lower center channel speaker. The second thing that you need is the subwoofer. Now for a movie first, you would want each and every scene to come alive in that room. And that is where spending less on the subwoofer or by going for a wrong choice of subwoofer will definitely kill the entire experience. The third thing that you have to be aware of is the AV receiver, because AV receiver is the main heart and the console of the system. So if you buy something which has got less number of channels or very less power, then you will have a system which will struggle to survive. And lastly, please remember, projector is just half the picture. The other half is contributed by a good quality screen. So please do take care of all of these things and do not make a mistake where you spend heavily on one side but spend less on the other. Always try to create a good balance which is healthy enough to give you a great home cinema performance and an experience. So if you want to design a good home theater in 7 lakhs, you now know that you should not start with products. You should always start with allocation. And a perfect allocation that we just discussed today is where you have 30 to 35% of the pricing allocated for video system, that is projector and screen. Another 30 to 35% reserved for the speakers, 15% for subwoofer, another 15 to 20% for your AV receiver, and lastly, the balance 10 to 15% for your installation, wiring, and a little bit more for acoustics. If this is very clear to you, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to know more about home theaters in India, what kind of products you should buy, what are the best tips, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Thank you so much for watching. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.